Hi friends, welcome to Civil Cube. Today we will see how to create end plate connection using macros. First, create views along grid lines. Create a steel column from Steel tab. Place the column in a grid line. In Column Property panel, change the bottom height of column is 0. Then rotate the column in 90 degree. After that we have to create a steel beam. Select Steel Beam in a Steel tab. Then pick first point of a beam is center of the column at 3 meter. Then click second point is middle of the grid line. Now the beam and column has been created. Then we have to create end plate connection for this beam and column. Search 141 in Application in Components pane. Click the end plate macro. Then pick main member as column, then pick beam. Now the connection is create. Double-click the connection component to change the values. In Picture tab, set plate offset from flanges and gap between plate and column is 0. Then click Modify to apply and view the changes. In Bolt tab, select bolt size as 16 and select the standard and tolerance. Also we can change the number of bolts and its spacing in both direction. Once all the changes made, then click Modify and apply. A green color component symbol represent the proper connection has been made. This is a simple end plate connection for beam and column. Thank you.